Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making Tarka Dhal. Boil your dal to your desired consistency. Some like it smooth, some like it chunky. And in a separate pot, add in your butter and oil. Melt your butter on high, then add in your dry chili, crushed garlic, cumin seed and mustard seed. Give that a mix and allow it to fry for about 30 seconds. Then add in your onion and stir it occasionally till the onion turns a light golden brown color. Then you can add in your chili, curry leaf, turmeric, chili powder, tomato, and some salt. Give that a mix and allow it to fry for about 30 to 40 seconds with the lid closed till this tomato softens. Mix it well and then add in your dal to this mixture. Stir it and allow it to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then it's ready to serve. With or without a sprinkling of coriander, you can serve this with bread or rice, or with some aloo puri. Check that out in my next video. Enjoy!